Hello, everyone. So today we are going to learn a few very basic informations about algebra. Okay. So this little lecture is only about the basic algebra. Okay. Let me ask you a question. How much is x plus x? 2x. Okay. Then how much is 10x plus 5x? Pause the video if you want. 15x. Okay. What about 100x plus 200x? How much is that? Again, you can pause the video, say the answer in your mind, and then play it to find out. The answer is 300x. Okay. Then it won't be any difficult for you to also do 500x minus 100x. The answer is 400x. Okay. The question is, how much is x plus y? Would you say xy? I'd say no, incorrect. If you say it's x, y, 2, I would say no. None of that is right. The real answer is this question cannot be solved. Unsolvable. You know why? The reason is because x and y are from different categories. They are unlike terms. What are unlike terms? Unlike terms are the terms which are not of the same category. What is the same category then? See, if a term has the same letter like x and x, they can be actually added. The answer will be 2x. But if I have x and y, then it cannot be added. Okay? The addition, the subtraction can only happen when we have the same letter in the numbers. So if I ask you a plus b, pause the video if you want. The answer is unsolvable. But if the question is a plus a, then what's the answer? Now look, they are the same letters. So 2a. Okay? This concept that I've just taught you, this concept is called like terms. In algebra, it's a very, very important concept that two terms can only add or subtract when they are being made using the same letter. The 100 and the 200 were only able to add themselves and become 300 because they had the same letter x in them. The 500 and 100 could only subtract because they had x in them. And therefore, as you can see, that the answer also has the x in all of them. But if I like randomly ask a question, m plus a is how much? Not possible. Not possible. However, if I had m plus 7m, then what's the answer? Then the answer is, this is 1m, this is 7m, so answer is 8m. Okay, 8m. So, like I said, this is a very important concept. This is called like terms. And the terms which have different letters, those are called unlike terms. Okay, that's it for today. And the rest, let's continue in the next lecture. Bye bye.